No.
Here are the two schools for tonight's show. The number 11 seed, Manchester High, up against the number 54 seed, St. Mary's College. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Manchester High is represented today by Tristan Spencer, Ashley Silvera, Ruth Ann Blair, and team captain Kajon Brown. And St. Mary's College is represented by team captain Travis Patrick, Shantae Satchel, Ronaldo Bowley, and Tajay Nelson. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome back to this 29th match here in round one of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. Your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences, Mrs. Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Manchester High won and decided to send St. Mary's College in to bat first. So we begin with St. Mary's College. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so please, may I have that time on the clock. St. Mary's College, your first question comes from Information Technology. DNS is a protocol for converting internet addresses in words to IP addresses in numbers. What does DNS stand for?
Domain name system. Domain name system.
That's right. Information Technology for Manchester High School. DHCP automatically assigns IP addresses to devices on a network. What does DHCP stand for?
Domain Hypertext Control Protocol.
It's not that cool. It's a domain. We have
Domain Hypertext Control Protocol.
Domain Hypertext Control Protocol.
Incorrect. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. St. Mary's College, International Affairs. Take a look at this monitor and identify this person, please.
Right, that is
Nana Akufo-Addo, President of Ghana, International Affairs for Manchester. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Muhammadu Bahiri.
Incorrect. Edgar Lungu, President of Zambia. Literature for St. Mary's College. What is the title of the third book in the Harry Potter series?
Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire.
Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire.
Incorrect. The Prisoner of Azkaban. Literature from Manchester. What is the fifth book in the Harry Potter series?
Half-Blood Prince.
Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince.
Incorrect. The Order of the Phoenix. Music and audio clue for St. Mary's College. Listen to the following clip and give the name of this singer.
And I hope you feel the same way.
One Direction.
One Direction.
Niall Horan. Slow hands. Incorrect. Music for Manchester High. Listen to the following clip and give the name of this singer.
Song is R.E.P. and I'm dancing on.
Clean Bandit.
Incorrect. Zara Larson. Symphony. Jamaican Heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. And everything come from above.
And everything come from above.
Right, I go fall.
You have to work for it. You have to work for it. I go fall.
I go fall.
A blessing. Incorrect. Jamaican Heritage from Manchester. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Spit in the sky.
And he jump in the air. And he jump in the air.
It fall in your eye. Correct. Theatre and Cinema for St. Mary's College. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Brandy.
That's right. Theatre and Cinema for Manchester. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Lisa Bonet.
Lisa Bonet.
Correct. French for St. Mary's College. Which part of a house is la fenêtre?
Alright. Living room.
Living room.
Incorrect. The window. French for Manchester. Which room in a house is la salle de bain?
Bathroom.
Bathroom.
Correct. Sport or visual clue for St. Mary's College. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Richie Richardson. Richie Richardson.
That's correct. Sport for Manchester. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Captain, the man. Clive Lloyd. Clive Lloyd.
That's right. Art for St. Mary's College. Who painted the Mona Lisa?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Leonardo da Vinci.
That's right. Art for Manchester. Who painted the Birth of Venus?
Sandro Botticelli.
Correct. Bible knowledge for St. Mary. Who was the 11th son of Jacob?
11th son. Alright, Joseph.
Correct. Bible knowledge for Manchester. From whose house did Joseph flee in Egypt before he was wrongly sent to prison for attempted rape?
Potiphar.
That's right. Biology for St. Mary's College. Which organ functions to remove poisonous substances from blood and also stores glycogen and minerals?
Kidney.
The liver. Incorrect. Biology for Manchester. What is the name of the long bone in the arm or forelimb that runs from the shoulder to the elbow?
Humerus.
Correct. Principles of business, St. Mary's College. What type of shares allows the holder to share in the profits of a company and to have voting rights in relation to the number of shares owned?
That would be
Conglomerate.
Incorrect. Ordinary or common. Ordinary shares or common stock. Principles of business for Manchester. What type of shares provides holders with a fixed rate of dividends that must be paid out before dividends to ordinary shareholders?
Preferential shares. Preferential shares.
Preference shares is correct. That bell signals the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Manchester High on 8 points, St. Mary's College on 5 points. Let's pause now for the Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Literature. The question is, which Jamaican author wrote the work entitled Listen, the Wind, and Other Stories? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Don't go anywhere. School's Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.